Hello fellow plant enthusiasts, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today we're back with another installment of the Foliage Files. If you've ever wondered why some plants thrive indoors while others struggle, well, it all comes down to one crucial factor: light. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about indoor plant lighting, from the different types of lights to setting them up correctly. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. Light is the energy source that fuels plant growth. Without it, plants can't photosynthesize, which means it won't grow properly or stay healthy. The challenge with indoor plants is that natural light can be kind of limited. Maybe your home doesn't get enough sunlight, or, like myself, you live in a place with long winters. That's where artificial lighting comes in, and different plants have different light needs. Low-light plants like snake plants or pothos can survive in dim conditions, while high-light plants like succulents and citrus trees require bright, direct light. The good news? With the right artificial lighting, you can provide the necessary spectrum and intensity for any indoor plant to thrive. However, not all indoor lights are created equal. Each type of light has unique benefits and drawbacks, and choosing the right one will depend on your plant's needs and your setup. Let's go over the most common types of indoor plant lighting. Fluorescent lights are one of the most budget-friendly options and are readily available. They work best for plants that don't require intense lighting, such as ferns, pothos, and philodendrons. Compact fluorescent bulbs and tube lights provide a balanced spectrum of light that supports general plant growth. However, they are less energy efficient than LEDs and have a shorter lifespan. LED grow lights are the most efficient choice for indoor gardening. They last longer, use less energy, and generate minimal heat. The biggest advantage of LEDs is their ability to emit specific spectrums of light, allowing you to tailor lighting to your plant's needs. Blue light promotes leafy growth, while red light encourages flowering and fruiting. Full-spectrum LED grow lights mimic natural sunlight, making them ideal for a wide variety of plants. And finally, we have grow lights. Specially designed for plant growth, grow lights provide an optimized balance of blue and red wavelengths, essential for photosynthesis. Many models come with adjustable brightness settings, timers, and even remote controls, giving you full control over your plant's light exposure. Whether you need a high-intensity light for fruiting plants or a softer glow for delicate seedlings, grow lights can be customized to meet those needs. Choosing the right lighting setup depends on your plant's requirements, your budget, and the size of your growing space. So, how do you pick the right light for your plant? Well, here are 3 key factors to consider. First, consider your plant's light requirements. Research whether your plant needs low, medium, or high light. If you're growing herbs or flowering plants, they may need stronger, more direct light. Next is light intensity and spectrum. Full spectrum lights mimic natural sunlight and are best for plant health. If you're using LEDs, look for a balanced mix of blue and red light for overall growth. And finally, consider the size and the placement. Make sure the light covers all of your plants evenly. If you have multiple plants, consider a larger panel light or a combination of smaller bulbs. Setting up your indoor plant lights properly is just as important as choosing the right kind of light. To get the best results, start by placing the lights at the correct distance, typically 6 to 12 inches above plants that require high light and 12 to 24 inches away from plants that prefer lower light conditions. Keeping the right distance ensures your plants get the proper intensity without the risk of burning or stretching. Next, consider using timers to automate the light cycle. Just like in nature, plants need a balance of light and darkness to thrive. Setting up a timer for 12 to 16 hours of light per day helps maintain a consistent and healthy growth pattern. Lastly, be prepared to adjust your setup based on your plant's responses. If your plant appears weak or leggy, try increasing the light exposure. If the leaves show signs of scorching or yellowing, dial down the intensity or move the light a bit farther away. A little observation and fine-tuning will help you create the ideal lighting environments for your plants. However, even with the right setup, you might still run into some lighting issues. If your plant is growing tall and spindly with weak stems, it's a sign that it's not getting enough light and is stretching toward the nearest source. Moving it closer to the light or switching to a stronger bulb can help it encourage compact, sturdy growth. If you notice leaves turning yellow, it might mean your plant is receiving too much direct light, leading to light stress. If the leaves look pale or scorched, try moving your plant slightly farther from the light source, dimming the brightness, or using a sheer curtain to diffuse harsh light. Another common issue is slow growth. If your plant seems stagnant, it may not be getting enough light exposure throughout the day. Consider increasing the duration of the light exposure while ensuring that it's the right spectrum. Using a timer can help establish a consistent lighting schedule, promoting steady, healthy growth. The key is to observe your plants and make adjustments based on their responses. And remember, every plant has its unique needs, so a little trial and error will help you find the perfect balance. And there you have it, folks. With the right lighting setup, your indoor plants will not only survive, but thrive. Whether you're growing leafy greens, flowering plants, or tropical foliage, understanding light is the key to success. If you have any questions or other recommendations that you'd like to share, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and or learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting our mission, you can consider becoming a Patreon or a channel member by clicking the join button under this video or one of the other links that are down there, and you can access exclusive content and perks. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving. See you in the next video. Cheers.